they are making a big allegation. They are saying the Mahayuti is now distributing cash in some of the constituencies. They have also questioned why Uddhav Thackeray's helicopter was stopped when Prime Minister Narendra Modi's event was taking place. On the other side, Maharashtra Deputy Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis has once again attacked the former Chief Minister, and he said Uddhav Thackeray has insulted the Election Commission officials who were only doing their job, and it actually is very irregular because it is as per the Election Commission rules that bags need to be checked. He also said his own bag has been checked twice during the campaigning. Now, leaders other than Devendra Fadnavis and Uddhav Thackeray, the other leaders whose bag have been checked so far, NCP Chief Ajit Pawar and Union Minister Nitin Gadkari.
आप देखिए रोज चेकिंग हो रही है और टारगेटेड ऑपोजिशन की ही कैसे हो रही है मुझे बताइए। अमोल कोल्हे जी की, वो उद्धव जी की तो रोज ही करे जा रहे। ये कौन सा नई गंदी राजनीति कर रहे?
ये देश की एक परंपरा रही है, एक दूसरे नेता एक दूसरे का सम्मान करते हैं, भरोसा और विश्वास करते हैं। आज उद्धव ठाकरे जैसी शख्सियत इस महाराष्ट्र के लिए और इस देश के लिए, वो परिवार जो है वो बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट महत्वपूर्ण पॉलिटिकल परिवार है, और बार बार उनको इस तरह से करना ये देश की परंपरा को शोभा नहीं देता है। और कायदा सबके लिए एक होना चाहिए। हर लोग जो है हेलीकॉप्टर में घूमते हैं, हर पार्टी के लीडर्स जाते हैं, तो फिर अगर करना है तो कायदा सबके लिए एक होना चाहिए, या किसी को टारगेट नहीं होना चाहिए। क्योंकि आपने दोनों बार देखा कि दोनों बार तलाशी ली गई, उनके पास कुछ मिला नहीं है। ये मुझको लगता है कि कहीं ना कहीं इलेक्शन कमीशन को इसमें इंटरवेन करना चाहिए।
The Election Commission is only doing its job. It has checked the bags of Devendra Fadnavis, Nitin Gadkari and all leaders across the board. So many times our cars are stopped and they do their job in checking. When the Election Commission checks Uddhav Thackeray's bag, it suddenly becomes a whole narrative of alleged foul play. I want to question, if officials are doing their job, what is the problem? This comes when every time your bag is checked, it becomes foul play. And when anybody else's bag is checked, it becomes a narrative that you choose to dismiss. Let the Election Commission do its job. Let its officials do its job. And let's make sure it's a peaceful election on November 20th, because this is what matters to the people of Maharashtra.
लोकसभा चुनाव के दरमियान मुख्यमंत्री एकनाथ राव शिंदे जी का भी चौपर चेक हुआ था, फडणवीस जी का भी चौपर चेक हुआ था, आज अजीत पवार जी का भी चौपर चेक हुआ। तब उन लोगों ने तो कुछ नहीं बोला, क्योंकि उनके मन में चोर नहीं था, उनको उनकी गाड़ी में कोई ब्लैक मनी नहीं था। उद्धव ठाकरे की चौपर की चेकिंग होगी तो वो गुस्सा हो गए, भाई मेरे ऊपर अन्याय हो रहा है, क्योंकि आपने छुपा के रखा है, आपको जेल जाने का डर हो रहा है।
मैं मानता हूँ ये राहुल गांधी हो या प्रियंका गांधी हो या उद्धव ठाकरे हो और या अखिलेश यादव हो, ये सब एक एंटाइटल्ड डायनेस्टी वाले लोग हैं जिन्होंने कभी कुछ काम नहीं किया है, मेहनत कभी किया नहीं है, और वो सोचते हैं कि उनके आगे पीछे लोग बस नमस्ते करते रहेंगे। और हमारे जो इलेक्शन कमीशन के लोग बहुत ही मेहनत करके जो एक डेमोक्रेटिक प्रोसेस को और इलेक्शन प्रोसेस को इंटेग्रिटी के साथ इम्प्लीमेंट करना चाहते हैं या कर रहे हैं, उनके साथ लीडर्स, नेतागण एक ह्यूमिलिटी के साथ बिहेव करें, ना कि ऐसे एरोगेंस के साथ।
देखिए, ये एक इलेक्शन कमीशन का नॉर्मल प्रोसेस है। अब वो उद्धव ठाकरे हो वो या कोई और हो, जहाँ नितिन गडकरी जी की बैग की भी चेकिंग हुई है, अब उसमें ये राजनीति करने का काम नहीं है, क्योंकि एक नॉर्मल प्रोसीजर है, प्रोटोकॉल है कि चुनाव के अंदर बैग की और आपके जो बिलोंगिंग्स हैं उनकी चेकिंग होती है।
Colleague Vidya is still with me on the story. Vidya, the timing of the other leaders and their bags being checked is actually very interesting, because it all began with that one video that Uddhav Thackeray put out, and he started questioning the Election Commission, and after that we have seen a spate of checkings that are taking place, but this time the checking is being done of the leaders of the Mahayuti alliance.
Well, in fact, this is exactly what the Mahavikas Aghadi has also been pointing out, that there's a difference between surprise checks that are being done and regular checks that are being done on Uddhav Thackeray and the opposition, while, there is staged checking, because the reason why the Mahavikas Aghadi calls this a staged checking is because the media is also called there, and in front of the media, the ECI officials are checking the bags, and that's the reason why they are saying that, just to make sure that everyone knows that our bags are being checked, that's why these videos are being released now. While on the other hand, the issue that Uddhav Thackeray was really raising about was the fact that it's not just the checks. Remember, he as he said that checking should be for everyone because everyone is participating in an election, and star campaigner, even if Prime Minister Narendra Modi is a star, might be a Prime Minister, but he is right now, when he is coming to Maharashtra for a campaign, he is a star campaigner like Uddhav Thackeray is, and that's one of the reasons why they should be held at par. What really irked Uddhav Thackeray at that point was the fact that he had been made to wait a couple of times when his bags were checked. The chopper was made to wait, and which delayed his sabha, where people had been waiting for hours at end. And that's one of the reasons why he pointed out that as to why Prime Minister's chopper was given a priority just because he was flying and not Uddhav Thackeray was delayed. His flight was delayed, and that could not take off at the time that it was set at. That's one of the reasons why Uddhav Thackeray was really irked at. But certainly the Mahayuti made its point by saying that it's not just the Maha Vikas Aghadi leaders, but even Mahayuti leaders are being checked, and that's one of the reasons why they should not really make it an issue.